Pinterest just dropped their summer of 2026 trend report, and I am not exaggerating when I say that this thing is basically the perfect free trend prediction report brief for print-on-demand sellers. We're talking 600 million active Pinterest users that are telling us exactly what they're searching and what they're buying. And this summer, the trends are sports, fandom, nautical, F1, and a few that are maybe going to surprise you. In this video, I am breaking down the biggest trends and telling you exactly which print-on-demand products are going to fit within each of them. And I've got some data nuggets in here that are going to blow your mind about the opportunity that sits within each of these categories and trends. I think it's gonna change how you are thinking about this summer's opportunity with print-on-demand. Let's get into it. This trend report was posted at the very tail end of May. The first day of summer is the late end of summer. And so they wait and release this report at a timing that is going to be predictive of what is coming up in the next few months. Typically, this initial graphic gives us a sense of what they are finding rising to the top. As you can see here, they're calling out from sports to street style. We are likely going to see a lot within this sporting category, but also this streetwear category as well. Sports should not be any surprise to those that watch my channel. If you don't, please subscribe if print on demand and growing an online business is your thing. Sports is huge because so many sports often take place, but this year is a magical year. We had the Olympics that happened earlier this year, and then the FIFA World Cup kicks off in a few short days, which is a global event where jerseys and sportwear is super popular as every country wants to rep their home country and support the largest sport in the world, soccer, football also. What is really fun that Pinterest calls out here is that the data is showing a clear cultural shift. People are borrowing the iconography of sport, team colors, uniforms, bold graphics, and national pride, and incorporating them into everyday choices. This is really fun because we've noticed over the last year or so this shift from the clean girl simplistic aesthetic to more of this like maximal coloring, and that fits perfectly with sports. It's all about being in your face with color, and we're gonna see that in the trends here. But the first nugget I'll add to that is that if you have a lot of simplistic designs, consider how you can add more of this bold color blocking individuality to some of those designs, especially if they're performing well, and maybe you'll be able to capture this different type of consumer, or maybe this younger audience that's leaning this way of brighter and bolder. The first trend is one that I could not be more excited about, and that is power players. And they call it power players, but they're really talking about female athletes. The growth in female sports over the last couple of years has been an amazing one to watch, and that opens up the opportunity for a lot of print-on-demand sales. If we just consider the WNBA, the Women's National Basketball Association, there has been insane growth there brought on by some really huge female athletes like Caitlin Clark. In 2025, the WNBA broke its 23-year record for most fans attending games, and this was on a season where there were actually less games that actually took place. So we've seen this really big trend of people wanting to get involved in female sports. I know my dad is one of them. He watches all of the games with Caitlin Clark, and I think this is going to be something that people want to support. And whenever you have these fandoms, that's a great opportunity for different merch items. Be a little bit careful in this space. We definitely don't want to do anything that is infringing on copyright, but if there are these mascots and these different types of sports figures like the Valkyries or certain things like that, and you're not specifically trying to speak to one team or the other, you can definitely play around with listing products that are meant to hype up the overall sport of women's basketball. The next trend is Sport-luxe street style. We have seen the print-on-demand industry moving in the direction of street style for a very long time, and that is not going to change now. We went from having the Bella Canvas tee over to the Comfort Colors tee, and now people are really enjoying these like baggier, whiter thread products in the t-shirt and the sweatshirt category as well, so giving more of that oversized feel to feel more luxurious and street style. So these heavier weight products are going to be huge for this category, but also just like the thicker materials and drop shoulders, wider neckbands, those are really popular right now. Today I'm partnering with Printful to show you where these different types of trends can fit in with print-on-demand products. And given that we're talking about streetwear and street style right now, I want to point your attention to some of the products and brands that are listed on Printful that can perfectly fit this bundle for you. So if we go over to Printful and we go down to their product catalog and look at brands, I'm going to point your attention to a couple different brands. So the first one is going to be AS Color. AS Color has a lot of these more neutral coloring. They're a thicker material, and they give off more of that streetwear style. As you can see here, the coloring is more of that neutral look to it, but when we click into the photo, you're going to be able to see that it has a bit more of that like oversized feel that leans more to this streetwear style. The other brand that I will attract your attention to is going to be Cotton Heritage. If we're thinking about more of this like heavyweight, strong performance, this brand has been rising to the top as well. So consider looking at their men's box tee, as that gives off a little bit more of that like streetwear style too. And they also have the men's premium heavyweight tee, which again, I think with streetwear, they're looking for these like thicker materials. It feels really weighty on the body. And these types of products are going to have more of that as compared to obviously like the Bella Canvas or the Gildan or even the Comfort Colors. That still absolutely has more of that streetwear oversized look than the Bella Canvas anyways. We see in particular motorsport polish coming into fruition here. People are really getting back into F1. That is a sport that took the world by storm with the documentary of Drive to Survive in the last couple of years, and people are still leaning towards more of that motorsport category. So if that's a sport category that you can fit into, or you're looking for additional sports to dive into, I would consider looking at the racing category because there's a ton of really fun stuff that you can do with this one. Next, we move into off-duty varsity, and this one is an absolute no-brainer for print on demand because it talks a lot about jerseys. World Cup jerseys are up 840%, jorts jersey outfit up 130%, jersey on skirt. All these different types of terminology are people just looking for different types of jerseys. And on Printful, you can actually find a lot of these really great products, and not just like a simple embroidery, but they have all over prints that allow you to get these vibrant, bright colors that you might not get if you're just doing a single print on a jersey itself. So let's take a look at those. Within the jersey category alone, there are so many fun ones. We can see here that they have the premium basketball jersey, which has the all over print, and you can already start to see how much fun designing you can do here, but it doesn't stop there. They also have a hockey fan jersey as well for all of my book talk girlies or anybody that's been diving into literature lately. Hockey is the sport that's taken the world by storm, especially if you are a literature reader. So that's another category that I do believe is untouched. Super strong reviews and ratings here, but we also have ones for football, American football, baseball as well, and you can really design the crap out of these. So as we're thinking about some really fun cross niching and designing, the jersey is a category that will do very, very well this summer season. And the last trend that I'm going to highlight with this report, although I will drop the entire report in the description below, it's completely free, check it out. The next one I'm going to highlight is Dockside Americana. I'm absolutely loving this trend because it's talking about the sailor and once again like nautical type of design aesthetic that always performs well, but as we go into summer, you're going to think about lake days, people going and getting out on the water, and this happens to be one of the trends that once again is going to be at the top. Stripes has been huge. I've talked a lot on my channel about the stripe aesthetic of mugs that are performing well. If you have not dabbled with stripes in 2026, please do, because we're seeing that perform really well here. They specifically call out sailor core, striped shirt outfits for women, polo striped shirt outfit. I mean, these are up anywhere from 100 to 2000%, which is really exciting. And this category is going to extend way beyond just apparel. Think about lake life mugs, lake life tees. People are wanting to have these different types of items that will commemorate their experience out at the lake or give off that vibe. So it really ranges across all different categories for products with print on demand. Those are some of the fun ones. I really am liking the female sports category. I think that's an area where sports always perform well, but it leaves so much creativity available for how you play around with this. This can be something as simple as going onto Printful, finding a different cap that you think looks well. They have so many different embroidery options that are kind of unique to Printful. So if embroidery is your thing, you're going to get the best bang for your buck in terms of like pricing, but also depth of catalog of products that you're going to be able to use there. So play around with that. But it could be as simple as having like a fun little saying on the cap. I have gone over to Claude and I basically asked Claude like, hey, give me a list of these really fun different sayings that I could embroider onto a hat that would do well within this niche of female sports, the WNBA, that don't explicitly call out the WNBA. So you can see these fun little terminologies here. In my fan air, bleacher creature, I think is really cute, built for the stands. We also see fun ones that deal specifically with female athlete pride. She runs this, trained differently. All of these are really fun ones that would be simple and something that people want to have if they go and they actually partake at watching some of these sports live. So I like this one too, dinking and thriving, like drinking and driving, but for pickleball. So use AI as your thought partner as well to, once you have an idea of the category and the trend that you want to explore deeper, ask AI, hey, I would love to do more in this space. What are some sayings? What are some design ideas? Give it some inspiration that you're thinking about already too, and the products that you're thinking about, and then it will have a lot of context and then give you some really good ideas. And then it can be kind of like a back and forth with a assistant essentially for your print on demand business, which is how I have been utilizing the platform. If you have any other questions about Claude and AI and the product categories or the Pinterest trend report, please drop them in the comments below. I post videos weekly talking about print on demand, starting a business, scaling that print on demand business, and digital marketing in general as well. So any of those questions are fair game. I will catch you on the next one.